Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. So, children, in our previous video, we have discussed the poem Little by Little. Now, we will find some rhyming words are there. So, do you know what are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are those have same sound in the end. So, let's find rhyming words here. Here is in the last sad, and in the second line we have bad. Sad, bad. Third line day, and fourth line away. Day, away. Fifth line grew, and the last in the sixth line do. Grew, do. Sad, bad. Day, away. Grew, do. In the second stanza we have root, shoot. Root, shoot. Ear, appear. Ear, appear. White, pride. White, pride. So these are the rhyming words in this poem. Now we will do question and their answers. So open page number 24. So here is your questions. Now do their answers. Okay. So first question is, name the tree that the cone grows into. So answer will be the cone grows into an oak tree. Question number 2, what things does a seed need to grow? So answer will be a seed needs air, soil, water and sunlight to grow. Question number 3, how many describing words can you find in this poem? So children, we have already learned about describing words. These are the words which describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. So its answer is, we can find 5 describing words in this poem. They are mosey, thread, like, tiny, slender and mighty. So these are 5 describing words. Okay, now move to the next question. Talk time. Look at the 2 pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. So children, you can see there are 2 pictures. So children, in these 2 pictures you can easily differentiate the feelings of a tree. In the first picture we can see the tree is happy, and in the second picture the tree is unhappy. We can also notice that some birds are flying away from the tree. Okay, what is the picture first is saying? I give you all this. And the second picture is saying, what do you give me? So here is vegetables, nest, fruits, medicine. Okay, and here you can see fire, sticks, birds are flying away. So look at the picture 1 and describe 3 sentences on what the trees give us. So students, first of all, please observe this picture 1 and then we will write 3 sentences about this tree. So the tree sentences can be, trees give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Trees are used in making medicines to get well. Trees gives us fresh air to breathe. So now we will write here. So first is trees give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Second sentence will be trees are used in making medicines to get well. Third sentence will be trees give us fresh air to breathe. So these are three sentences. The trees give us fruits and vegetables. Trees are used in making medicine to get well. Trees give us fresh air to breathe. Okay, move to the next. Now look at picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. So here look at this picture and please write which we harm the trees. So we harm the trees by writing them for fuel and rubber. Okay, we harm the trees by cutting them for making furniture. We destroy the nest and then birds have to fly away. So here we will write we harm the trees by cutting them for fuel and rubber. Second will be we harm the trees by cutting them for making furniture. Third will be we destroy the nests and then birds have to fly away. Okay, like this we harm the trees by cutting them for fuel and rubber. We harm the trees by cutting them for making furniture. We destroy the nests and then birds have to fly away. So children, we all know that trees are our important part of our life. Still we harm the trees. So children, do you think we should harm the trees? No, we should never harm the trees. So children, here is your question finished. Now next we have those words describing parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. So children, like we have different parts in our body like our eyes, nose, mouth, hands, legs. Similarly, trees also have different parts like stem, bark, leaves, branch, twigs, root, shoot, which means a complete tree. Now we will describe parts of a tree. First is stem. Stem, it gives strength to the tree. Bark, it is the brown colored out layer of wood. Leaves, these are green colored part that makes food in a tree. Branch, They grow out of the stem from where leaves appear. Twigs, these are thin branches on the tree. Root, these grow downward and hold the tree in the soil. Shoot, it is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. So like this, these parts of tree describe the whole tree. Okay, now next we have match the opposite. Once has been done for you, one already have been done for you. Mighty means होता है powerful. So इसका so opposite will be weak. Now next we have downward, under the ground, and opposite will be upward. So we will match this. Okay, next we have slowly. So opposite will be fast. Next we have little. So opposite will be big. Slender, we have read slender. Slender means thin. So opposite will be fat. Next we have day. You all know day is opposite is night. So we will match this. Okay, so I hope you have understood this part, question answers. So students, please write in your notebook and learn it. Okay, thank you, have a good day.